What do you think this is? Hello? Hello? Let's see what your guesses are. And we're gonna have some fun taking this apart. Come on, let's dive in. All right, you steely-eyed members of the Shiver, what do you think this is? I've got it next to the DeWalt drill so you can get an idea of the size here. But we've got glass windows there. Opens. It plugs in. We'll be cutting off the plug. I don't know if these will give you any help, but these go in here. Oops. They go in like this. All right, so those go in there like that. Hard for y'all to see. So come on, what do you think? Go ahead and put your guesses in there. We're going to start taking it apart while you all are guessing what this is. Well, I'm really not expecting much with this. Get these screws out of here. See what's in this. Oh, a little spring inside there. All right, well, the rest of that is trash. I know we've got some little metal bits. I wonder if that spring was stainless. Nope. Nope. All right, power. And that fat plug has no weight to it all, so I'm not going to put that in with motors. That's going into the shred. Now then, we're going to need my little tiny screwdriver. So that was from a Phillips screwdriver, a hand screwdriver. I just cut it off, put a flat on it, and now I've got a nice long, skinny Phillips head. I don't know if those screws came out or not. Me thinks maybe those are too small. Let's see. Huh. Yeah, they're definitely Phillips. I wonder why that's not playing. Why don't you want to play? All right, now to help you all out, here's what the back has. It has numbers 350 through 1050, on off switch and auto. 1 bar off and 2 bars. And this thing just does not apparently want to play. These screws are not coming out for some reason. And we have some under here. Don't expect that's going to do much for us. Nope. Just help me to find the tab so I can take off that part. Okay, those, I don't know why those guys don't want to play, but we may have to resort to plan B. I love plan B. Now then, plan B reveals two motors attached to these things, which with this part inside of here. So that's a nice little motor and gear set there. I know a guy over in the United Kingdom that would probably keep that and say, well, that could come in useful sometime. I'm not going to say what his name is because I want to protect his identity, but his initials have something to do with a man in the shed. No, that's not, oh man, can you believe I did that? Oh, and there's all the gears. So it's actually a really tiny little motor. That little motor is driving a drive belt that is turning that gear, which is then geared onto these gears. So we can do that, and then let's see how easy it is to pop off, remove that motor. There's oil in here, making this a little bit slickery, but there's the motor, and that's got some oil in it. Probably some sort of mineral oil, something like that. Come on, who's figured it out yet? I am quite certain that one of you is gonna figure it out. I know it. All right, so now this is all just plastic. You can see they're turned, they just rotate inside there. And that's just, yeah, that's just plastic. I don't want to take those, I could take those screws out for that little bit of metal. That's just holding the glass plate in there. And then we have some wire, insulated copper wire, and some really low grade board in here. Let's go ahead and get that out, see what we got going there. That's the board that the switches are attached to. All right, so that was our switches, our power stuff, insulated copper wire, low grade board here with a switch on it. And what are you? You're another, well, let's see here. So there are two tiny little ICs there. I suppose you could put that in with your mid-grade boards. Got an oscillator, So capacitor, so yeah, what the heck, why not? Little wire. All right, who figured it out? I can't wait to see the comments and see who was able to figure out what this thing was. No, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not trying to get you to buy this thing. I especially can't believe that this thing is $70. So, I mean, we just took this apart. You saw what's in this. It's $70, folks. Your automatic wristwatch winder. So that when you buy those fancy wristwatches or somebody gives you that golden Rolex, you can put it in this thing and keep it wound up so it doesn't go dead while it's sitting in your closet. All right, everybody, there's links popping up to take you to more of these really weird things, and have a great day.